Hi everybody, welcome to your first learning assignment from me, being remote. So today we're going to be talking about a science topic, classifying animals. So in this unit, there are going to be a couple things that are happening, but first, why classify animals? So we have different types of animals. They're called, they can be mammals, insects, reptiles, amphibians, fish, or birds. And these are our 6 types of animals that we can classify things as. So why is it important to know these? So we're going to be looking at the characteristics of each of these types of animals. And it's important to know these to be able to identify something. If you come across a new animal that you're not sure what it is, you can look at the characteristics of a bird. Does it fall into a bird category? You can look at the characteristics of something of a mammal. Does it fall into that category? And so when I say characteristics, what does that mean? So a characteristic is something that you can classify. So a characteristic of a human is hair. We all have hair. Whether you cut your hair, it may be shorter, it may be longer, but humans all grow hair on their head. So that would be a characteristic of a human. Okay, so we're going to be looking at different things, different observations of these animals. So then, what is an observation? So earlier in our unit of science, we've talked about how to make observations. Okay, so we use our 5 senses to make observations. So our 5 senses are taste, smell, texture, feel, so how it may feel, seeing, and hearing. Okay. So these are our 5 senses that we have, and we're going to be making observations based on things like color, shape, texture, okay? And these are the types of things that we're going to be looking at on the animals to know what it's going to be classified as, okay? So when I say classified, that's going to mean that it's going to fall into one specific category, whether it be an mammal, an insect, a bird, an amphibian, a reptile, a fish, okay? So these are the things that we're going to be looking at to know what type of animal this is going to be. I hope you enjoyed this short little video about what we're going to be doing the next couple of days, and there'll be a short quiz on Seesaw following this. So you're going to be looking at animals, and you're just going to note the different characteristics of the animals, okay? So I have a sheet filled out for you, and it has pictures of different animals. All I want you to do on it is kind of write down things that you see. So remember, we're making observations, we're looking at them, because our other senses aren't going to work through a computer, okay? So we're just going to use our sense of sight. Okay, and then we're going to be looking at these and observing what's the color of them, do they have wings, are they small, are they big, writing some keywords down that that would help classify these animals by making observations. Okay, and there'll be another video, so after you do that, there'll be another video kind of explaining where the rest of our unit is going to go. So thank you guys so much, and I miss you.